I would say one of the biggest aspects of it when you're talking about investment in R&D, in the valuable R&D dollar, where 90% of drugs fail, it's actually 90 to 94%. And so we're looking at genetic evidence as a way to help increase the likelihood of success. You understand the underlying disease biology in a more in a deeper way, and you can create therapeutics that are more efficacious, more safe, et cetera, et cetera. And so, excuse me, I didn't mention this, but I will. It's often referenced, which is the seminal 2015 Nelson et al. Nature Genetics paper, where he showed, while he was Matt Nelson was at GSK leading genetics, he had actually shown that therapies with genetic evidence early had a 2x likelihood of getting through the clinic and getting to FDA approval. And subsequently, we've seen in the last 10 years over 63%, and this was published in the fall in Nature last year, that 63% of all FDA-approved drugs in the last decade actually had genetic evidence. And so we're seeing this shift in the industry to more and more scientific leaders in biopharma now making these investments early in R&D, getting to genetics, leveraging genetics and genetic evidence in different ways to drive impactful discovery and more efficacious therapies down the road. And so that was like one of the key anchors that we leaned on for pitching this idea of the 250,000 whole genomes from the VMC health system from Nash Bio, and really helped us differentiate that cohort versus the UK Biobank, in the sense that it's more diverse, neonates to geriatrics, so the age, it's diverse on multiple dimensions, on ancestry, 15% African American ancestry in there, and the 70% range for Europeans, so it's more diverse. And you also have de-identified EMRs, so the full EMR, so it's longitudinal, on average 11 years of longitudinal health record information per individual. And then, you also have, these are from patients, right? This isn't just healthy individuals. So you have disease diversity, a large cardiometabolic swath of indications represented there, as well as neuro and other indications. And again, these were DNAs from discarded blood samples from routine lab practice that they bank as part of their system.